Do you want to know the secret to keeping your Lauxes grates looking brand new? Join me in this tech talk as I uncover the key to keeping these grates in tip-top shape. If you want your grates to stay in top condition, the key is to clean them regularly. And the good news is, it's super easy to do. Just give them a wipe down with warm water or use a mild detergent and a soft bristled brush to gently scrub them. Just be sure to rinse off any leftover soap residue to avoid build-up. We recommend cleaning your grates at least once every 3 months. Now here's the important part. Don't use any harsh chemical cleaners like bleach or mold remover. These types of products can damage the anodized finish on your grates and detract from the appearance. Instead, stick to products that are safe for use on aluminium and your grates will look as good as new for years to come. When in doubt, check your label on your cleaning products. Want to learn more about how to keep your Lauxes grates looking their best? Head on over to our website for more tips and information. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next Tech Talk.